video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute owl wall hanging using all items from the Dollar Tree. Someone sent me this photo and asked me if I could make it, and this is my take on it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. All right, y'all, let's get started. So my friend Adrian had sent me this really cute picture of an owl wall hanging, and it was made out of leaves. Hi, Adrian. So what I have put together here to make this is one of these felt owl cutouts from the Dollar Tree. Get that paintbrush out of the way. And I have 4 packs of these maple leaves, also from the Dollar Tree. There's a bunch of different colors in here. There's yellow, green, orange, and red. And I'm not exactly sure how many leaves I'm going to need, but there's 50 in a pack. I have 4 packs, and I'm pretty sure that we're not going to use 200 leaves on this thing. I hope we're not. That's a lot of gluing. But anyway, I got so many different packs because I want to use the different colors. We're going to use the red and start on the red down here and right here. And then just go to orange and then yellow and then the green up here. And I wanted to make sure that I had enough of each color. You're going to need 2 flowers. Why do we need flowers? For his eyeballs. I can see 2 owls. You're going to need a hot glue gun and glue sticks. This one is my favorite. I'll put a link in the description box down below as to where I purchased it. Okay. So basically, really simple. We're going to take our little owl friend here. We're going to find the pack that we just opened. Here we go. And like I said, I wanted to start with the reddish color here on the bottom of his little feetsies. That's kind of orange. You need to go over there. Okay. Now, if you can't find one of these, of course, you could just draw an owl silhouette on a piece of maybe like the Dollar Tree foam board, cut it out, and then glue your leaves down. I like this because the shape is already there. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on these leaves. I think I'm going to start just like this because the leaves are going to add some bulk. So I want to kind of go outside of the line here on his feet and on the points of his little wings here. And we're just going to glue these leaves on. Pretty simple, right? Easy peasy. Put that there. And then I'm going to, once I get the red put on for his feet, I want to put some red right here on the tips of his little wings. And then I want to start in with the orange. I'm going to use sort of like the red, kind of like as a highlight color. Okay, so now I just want to put one more right here. You can see like the point right there. Like 1, 2, 3, 3 little toes. Glue it to your finger. That's really nice. All right, the gluing it to your finger part is optional. All right, there we go. Stop it. Okay, 3 little toes. This is going to look better once we get on up here. Okay, so see on that pack, I'm already done with the red ones. So now we're going to have to open up another pack. It seems like that there's a lot more of the orange and yellow colors in these packs than there are of the red and the green. That's why we're going to be using, now look at that, falling leaves, which is why we're going to be using the other colors kind of sparingly. So with the red here, now I'm just going to continue onto the tip of his little wings. I'm going to start, I don't know, maybe about right in here. Stick that there. Let me put just one right here. Okay, stay. These leaves like me so much, they're just trying to stick all over me. I'm just going to put a few more of the red right here. And then we'll start building up with the orange and the yellow. I think I want the majority of it right around in here to be orange. And then from here, kind of up to here, be yellow. Of course, I'm going to come back and I'm going to show y'all the different stages of my gluing. See, now we're out of red in that one. So let's open up this other pack. And of course, you don't have to do the colors that I'm doing. You can do whatever you want. This is just what I like. Let's see. Oh no, we only need 2 more. Aha. All right. So now let's come up here with this. I'll try to get it to match this other side as best as I can. And just put that there. Okay. So now that I have his wings done, now I'm going to start with the orange. and just glue, glue, glue right along here, just following the shape. And let's see, I'm going to say maybe right about this little third little cutout here, we'll do that orange and then start with the yellow and go on up. I don't know. But let me start with the orange, and then I'll glue, 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 and then I'll come back and I'll show you what I have, show you where I'm going to start the yellow for each little section here. All right. Alrighty, this is what I have so far. So you can see I just now passed like that little center cutout right here. Here is the top cutout. And I have used the leaves only out of 3 bags of the 4 that I have. I've not opened this one yet, and I'm trying not to so that we can keep this, you know, as inexpensive as possible. So only 3 bags used so far. As you can see, I just tried to follow the contour. Look at the glue strings. Lord have mercy. All right. I just tried to follow the contour of the outer portion of the owl to come down and try to keep, you know, still some resemblance to an owl shape. So now what I'm going to do is we're going to start in with the yellow. As you can see, the yellow doesn't have any lines on it. And these are a bit smaller than the orange ones. See, just like that. Where is this hair coming from? So let's see, I'm just going to start on the edge over here. And yeah, looks like you're going to have to use more yellow than you did orange because they are a good deal smaller. But looking at, hold on, let me get this stuck down. It looks like there is a good amount of yellow ones still left in these bags. So we should have enough with the 3 packs to do what we need to do. So now I'm just going to take these, follow all the way up as far as I can get, I think, with the yellow. Maybe up in here somewhere. We'll see how it comes out. I don't know. But I'm just going to continue gluing just like I've been doing down here, yellow. And then we're going to flip some of the leaves around once we get up to the top, to the tops like this, and to try to angle them down like this instead of putting them all across like this so that you can't see your glue spots. And the glue spots can be hidden by these flowers like that. But anyway, I'll show that to you guys when I get done. Hold on one more time. Okay, so we're coming up on the end. Oh my gosh, all these little bags are going to drive me nuts. We're coming up on the end here, and as you can see, this is where the cutout for the eyes were. So what I'm trying to do here is just do my best to fill this in with the leaves to try to just cover that up. Yes, it's going to be covered up with the flowers, but still, it's going to drive me a little bit batty to see them bear like that. And you know what? If I don't have another one of these leaves, I'm going to be upset. And I don't think I do. Oh, well. So, let's just move this over a little bit. Okay. So far, I still have only used 3 bags of leaves. And, you know, depending on what colors come in your bags and how many of each color, 3 should be enough. But, you know, go ahead and have 4 just in case. So, basically, this is done. Let's get these leaves out of here. Basically, this is done. It looks much better in person than it does on camera. I can tell you that right now. But here is the flower. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try to clip the back of it off there. And just kind of place it. See, right there. How cute is that? Now we need to make him a little beak. And I'm going to do that with a red flower. A red leaf. So here is the point coming down here. I'm just going to try to trim that off right there. Because I want that to come down to a point and not, you know, look like an entire leaf. So now we're just going to glue this right in the center there. And then we can cover up this part here with the flowers. Let's see how that looks. Oh, how cute. All right, so that looks okay to me. So I'm just going to put some glue all around here and kind of around the edge here, because you know there's still that little hole right there where the eye cutouts are. Now watch me glue this to my table because I'm smooth like that. All right, so we're just going to press that down and just let it sit for a little bit to make sure the glue sets up before I move it, and that is going to be done. So if I can make sure I have these even. Get his eyes all cattywampus. Yeah, cockeyed owl. Poor thing would fly in circles. All right, let's see. Okay, I think that looks pretty even. And our little owl is done. So on the back, I think what I'm going to do, once that has set up and I can move it, I might just take a pipe cleaner, make a loop out of it, or take a piece of twine and make a loop out of it and glue it to the back of the head up here so it can be hung up. This would also be cute on a wreath, I think. But anyway, it's finished. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to get all these glue strings off here. If you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. I hope to see y'all next time. Bye.